life insurance, and retirement planning. The day Sarah lost her father, her world crumbled. At just 28, she found herself not only grieving but also suddenly responsible for her mother's financial well-being. As she sat in the dimly lit living room, surrounded by sympathy cards and wilting flowers, the weight of their situation hit her like a freight train. "Mom, how are we going to manage?" Sarah whispered, her voice cracking. Her mother, Ellen, looked up with tear-stained eyes. I don't know, sweetheart. Your father always handled these things." This scenario plays out in countless homes across America. According to a recent study by LIMRA, nearly half of U.S. households would face financial hardship within 6 months if the primary wage earner died. It's a stark reality that many prefer not to think about, but one that can have devastating consequences when ignored. Sarah's story took an unexpected turn when she discovered an old filing cabinet in her father's study. Buried beneath tax returns and utility bills, she found a dusty folder labeled life insurance. Her heart raced as she opened it, revealing a policy her father had taken out years ago. It wasn't much, but it was something, a lifeline they desperately needed. This discovery set Sarah on a journey to understand the world of life insurance and retirement planning. She learned that life insurance isn't just about death benefits. It's a crucial component of a comprehensive financial strategy. It provides a safety net for loved ones, offering peace of mind and financial stability during life's most challenging moments. As Sarah delved deeper, she uncovered the various types of life insurance policies. Term life insurance, the most straightforward and affordable option, provides coverage for a specific period. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, offers lifelong protection and accumulates cash value over time. Universal life insurance provides flexibility in premiums and death benefits, adapting to changing financial needs. But Sarah's research revealed a twist. Life insurance wasn't just about protecting against loss. It could also be a powerful tool for retirement planning. Some policies, like indexed universal life insurance, offer the potential for cash value growth tied to market performance, providing a tax-advantaged supplement to traditional retirement accounts. Intrigued by this revelation, Sarah consulted a financial advisor. Many people overlook the connection between life insurance and retirement planning, the advisor explained. But when structured correctly, certain policies can offer living benefits that complement your retirement strategy. This information sparked a fire in Sarah. She realized that her father's untimely death didn't have to define their financial future. With determination, she began the process of evaluating and purchasing her own life insurance policy. Factoring in her long-term retirement goals, the journey wasn't without challenges. Sarah faced a labyrinth of options, complex terminology, and the emotional weight of planning for worst-case scenarios. But she persevered, driven by the memory of her father and the desire to secure her family's future. As Sarah navigated this new world, she discovered another surprising fact. A study by the Employee Benefit Research Institute found that only 42% of American workers have tried to calculate how much money they'll need for a comfortable retirement. This statistic underscored the importance of comprehensive financial planning, including both life insurance and retirement strategies. Sarah's story took another unexpected turn when she shared her newfound knowledge with her co-workers. Many were in similar situations. Young professionals starting families, buying homes, and building careers, but with little thought given to long-term financial security. Sarah's experience became a catalyst for change in her workplace, sparking conversations about financial literacy and planning. Months later, as Sarah sat across from her mother at their kitchen table, she felt a sense of accomplishment. The life insurance policy she had purchased provided protection for her loved ones, while also contributing to her retirement goals. It wasn't just about money. It was about peace of mind and the freedom to focus on living life to the fullest. "Your father would be so proud of you," Ellen said, squeezing Sarah's hand. Sarah smiled, knowing that through this difficult journey, she had not only secured her own future, but had also honored her father's memory by taking control of her financial destiny. Sarah's story is a powerful reminder that life's unexpected twists can lead to profound personal growth and positive change. By facing the challenging topics of life insurance and retirement planning head-on, we can transform potential financial hardships into opportunities for security, peace, and prosperity.